Ready for the dictation. Very important matter for the Rajasthan District Court exam. Ready? Start. Section 80D of the Income Tax Act 1961 bracket start hereinafter referred to as the Act bracket close provides for payment of annuity of lump sum amount for the benefit of a dependent being a person with disability in the event of the death of the individual or the member of the Hindu undivided family within bracket HUF in whose name subscription to the scheme stipulated in the said provision has been made. Stop. Though it is a long provision, for our purposes it would be suffice to reproduce subsections within bracket 1, within bracket 2 and within bracket 3 thereof, which are as under. Stop. Deduction in respect of maintenance including medical treatment of a dependent who is a person with disability. Stop. Where an assessee being an individual or a Hindu undivided family who is a resident in India has during the previous year incurred any expenditure for the medical treatment including nursing, training and rehabilitation of a dependent being a person with disability or paid or deposited any amount under a scheme framed in this behalf by the Life Insurance Corporation or any other insurer or the administrator or the specified company subject to the conditions specified in subsection within bracket 2 and approved by the board in this behalf for the maintenance of a dependent being a person with disability, the assessee shall, in accordance with and subject to the provisions of this section, be allowed a deduction of a sum of 75,000 rupees from his gross total income in respect of the previous year. Stop. Provided that where such dependent is a person with severe disability, the provisions of this subsection shall have effect as if for the words 75,000 rupees, comma, the words 1,000 and 25,000 rupees had been substituted. Stop. The deduction under clause within bracket B of subsection within bracket 1 shall be allowed only if the following conditions are fulfilled, namely the scheme referred to in clause within bracket B of subsection within bracket 1 provides for payment of annuity or lump sum amount for the benefit of a dependent being a person with disability in the event of the death of the individual or the member of the Hindu undivided family in whose name subscription to the scheme has been made. The assessee nominates either the dependent being a person with disability or any other person or a trust to receive the payment on his behalf for the benefit of the dependent being a person with disability. Stop. If the dependent being a person with disability predeceases the individual or the member of the Hindu undivided family referred to in subsection within bracket 2, an amount equal to the amount paid or deposited under clause within bracket B of subsection within bracket 1 shall be deemed to be the income of the assessee of the previous year in which Such amount is received by the assessee and shall accordingly be chargeable to tax as the income of that previous year stop.